رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. So today I would like to share some points about this book that I read, and it is named A Muslim Boy's Guide to Life's Big Change. It is written by Sadi Khan. The first thing I would like to share about is your belief. The word Islam, it means peace and obedience. It is made up of 5 basic pillars: Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Salam, and Hajj. At this stage of your life, at the age of puberty, the young Muslim boys should focus on the Shahada, Salah, and Salam. The first part of the Shahada is believing in the oneness of Allah, or Tawheed, which means believing that there is only one Allah who has no family members, no partners, and that He is and always will be, and that He created everything and there is none like Him. Scientists can boast about their achievements, but the fact is that they will never be able to create not even a single atom from nothing, let alone the whole complex and beautiful universe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us so much, and in order to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and show Him how much we love Him, we must pray our 5 daily prayers. Your prayer is a chance to take time out of your routine to become closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Another act that brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is fasting during the month of Ramadan. When you are fasting during the month of Ramadan, by not eating and drinking, we learn to think of those who are less fortunate than us and to give generously. But while you are fasting, you also have to be careful of your actions, intentions, and the way you speak. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want a person to give up eating and drinking if they are not going to give up lying or swearing. Number 2, your friends. You will meet lots of different kinds of boys at school, and you may choose to spend time with some of them. And you might not think that it matters too much who your friends are, but it is vital to choose the correct friendship group, because your friends can either be your weakness or your strength. Those who choose to be disrespectful to their elders, go to un-Islamic places, spend their time at an un-Islamic place doing un-Islamic things, are not really worth having as friends. Of course, it may not sound as easy as it is, but and there will be times where you will feel a split between your religion and your friends. And it can be difficult to stand up to some peer. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the intelligence to know right from wrong. So you should fight temptation and stand up for what you believe. 3, your time. Part of growing up is having the independence time to be able to meet your friends outside of school. But there is no haram in this until you stick to some simple rules. Number 1, you should always let your parents know who you are going with. Number 2, you should always let your parents know where you're going. And number 3, you should always return at the time that your parents had told you to return. And while you are spending your time with your friends, you shouldn't be listening to the latest rap tunes. because these form of music, they have bad themes and are not appropriate to listen to. As an alternative, why not try nasheeds, which are a better